March 15th, 2025, Downers Grove, Illinois. It was an ordinary afternoon for one mother setting up her teenage son's new phone. As the iCloud sync finished, a flood of old messages appeared from his broken device. But these weren't casual chats between friends. They were something else entirely. They were love notes and explicit messages between her son, we'll call him Connor, and his 30-year-old special education teacher and soccer coach, Christina Formella. Some messages read, "I love you so much, Mama," and "I love having bleep with you." For the mother, it was like watching a nightmare spill across the screen. Undeniable proof of a secret relationship that, according to investigators, lasted nearly 2 years. The next morning, police moved quickly. Officers intercepted Formella during a traffic stop. Body cam video shows them telling her she was being detained and needed to come to the station.
Officer Guzman with Downers Grove. Do you have your license on you?
Can I?
Yeah, I'm gonna explain. I'm sure you're confused. I'll explain everything to you. You're Christina?
Yes.
Okay, Christina, do me a favor. Can you step out of the car for me? I know you're confused. I'll explain everything to you. You don't have anything on you? You can just grab whatever you need.
Whatever I need?
Yeah, whatever you need. Like your phone, your purse, go ahead and grab it.
Is she going somewhere? Or?
Yeah, we're gonna explain everything to you guys. Go ahead and grab it. We're not going anywhere right now. Yeah, of course, yeah.
I don't understand what's going on here.
I get it, yeah. You can go grab your things.
Can he come with me?
Yes. You stay there for right now, sir. Just stay there, but yes, you can. But come on back here.
Should I shut the car off?
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Goes off. Okay. Let's right back over here. So, we do have an investigation going on. We have to talk to you about it at the police department, okay? So we're going to explain everything to you there. It's not my investigation. I don't know the full details. We do have to bring you there, though, okay? So I do have to put you in handcuffs and bring you to the police department. Just a Downers Grove.
Handcuffs?
Yes, unfortunately, yes.
I'm like willing to go with you.
I get it, yeah. Unfortunately, we have to do it that way. So do me a favor. We just take this off.
Can I ask you
Of course, yeah. It's not, like I said, it's not my investigation. Obviously, we're here for a reason. So go ahead and turn around for me. So right now you're being detained, and there is a detective that needs to talk to you at the police department. So we'll let your husband know. No, he can just come to the police department as well if he wants to wait for you there.
I'm like...
I get it. You have a lot of questions.
So scared.
Yeah, everything's okay. We just need to talk to you at the police department. That's all. Nothing else on your pocket right now? Anything else?
Just my phone.
Just your phone?
Here.
Okay. Okay. We're heading to sit in the back of this car. On the other side. Once you get to the police department, you'll talk to the detective and he'll explain everything to you.
But you can't even give me like an idea
At the moment,
what this is about?
Other than that it's an investigation, that's all I can really tell you right now.
Excuse me, is my husband coming with?
Yes, yeah, he's taking his phone number down. We're staying in touch with him. We're just going to Downers Grove, so 10 minutes away.
No, I know, but I really would prefer that my husband's with me.
Of course.
Am I in trouble? Like, I'm so lost right now. I'm
sure you are. Like I said, I can't answer any questions right now. Just to tell you that right now you're being detained for an investigation and we're bringing you to the police department. And once you get there, they're going to fill you in on everything.
Sure you don't want a tissue or something?
I feel like I'm going to throw up.
A bag?
Yes, please.
Alright. Shauna, can you grab a bag out of there?
Honestly, I can't driver. No complaints tonight, though.
Hey, can you get like a bag just in case she gets nauseous? Yeah. I don't know, do we have any of those emesis bags like laying around those boxes? I figure something better than nothing. Or here, if you stay with her, I'll go grab it.
She looked startled, even frightened, not knowing investigators already had dozens of messages, handwritten notes, and testimony from Connor. According to prosecutors, the alleged abuse began in January 2023, shortly after Connor broke his collarbone. Formela offered tutoring sessions, but the conversations allegedly shifted from schoolwork to late-night personal chats. Over time, the texts became openly romantic and sexual, arranging secret meetings. Connor later told detectives there were around 50 encounters, with 45 happening inside the school building. Investigators say Formela's own phone contained entries written like a diary, describing jealousy, emotional manipulation, and her hope to keep the relationship hidden. When confronted, Formela insisted she was the real victim, claiming Connor stalked her, sent messages to himself, and was trying to ruin her life. But prosecutors countered with what they called overwhelming evidence: explicit messages, saved notes, and a detailed timeline. She now faces 55 felony charges. If convicted, she could spend up to 60 years in prison. The case has since exploded in local and national media, with headlines describing her as the good-looking teacher, accused of crossing one of society's clearest lines. In Downers Grove, parents are shaken. School board meetings have been tense, some demanding answers about how this could go unnoticed for so long. Others point to the power imbalance: a trusted teacher, a vulnerable student, and the long-lasting trauma such cases can leave behind. She is now facing multiple felony counts, and the case is ongoing. Until the trial concludes, the community continues to ask, how could a trusted teacher become the focus of such a serious investigation?